Hello and welcome to our channel.
If you're also having problem regarding video not loading in Messenger app, then we've got you. This video is just for you. So to solve this problem, the first thing is to check whether you have strong Wi-Fi or not. To do so, go to your browser and run a speed test using speed test. If your Wi-Fi speed is poor, consider using mobile data. Now, if the video is still not loading, go to Play Store and update your Messenger app. This problem might be because your Messenger app is not updated. Or you can also try installing Messenger Lite and see if the video loads there. Your problem must be fixed. If not, it might be a bug and would be solved automatically after some time by Messenger itself.
I hope you found this video helpful.
Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching.